Linking your merchant account to Klarna can enhance your payment options and improve customer experience. Follow these steps to successfully connect your account. Step 1. Create a Klarna merchant account. Visit the Klarna website and sign up for a merchant account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information about your business, including your business name, address, and contact details. Step 2. Access the merchant dashboard. Once your account is created, log into the Klarna merchant dashboard. This is where you will manage your account settings and link your payment options. Step 3. Navigate to Integration Settings. In the dashboard, locate the Integration Settings or Payment Options section. This area will provide you with the tools needed to connect your existing merchant account to Klarna. Step 4. Enter merchant account details. Input the necessary details of your existing merchant account, such as the account number and any API keys or credentials required for integration. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Test the integration. After entering your details, conduct a test transaction to ensure that the integration is successful. Check for any errors and confirm that payments are processed correctly through Klarna. By following these steps, you will successfully link your merchant account to Klarna, allowing you to offer more flexible payment options to your customers.